everyone, I am here today to unbox the December 2020 God's Glory box. This is a subscription box that comes every month. Usually you'll have some sort of article of clothing. Usually it's a shirt, but in the winter months it seems like we've been getting socks or hats or something like that. And then a few other little trinkets that show us a monthly reminder of God's glory. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this one. And as you can see, this is Rocky, and he enjoys unboxing things with me because he gets a dog subscription box, so he always thinks things are in there for him. I'm sorry, baby. There's nothing in there for you today. I'm sorry. Okay, so the first thing you have is how to download your ebook. You always get usually an ebook every single month, so this is the one that you get this month. And then you always have little coloring pages on the back. And then this is another one, just the same thing. Then it looks like we have an ornament. Jesus, Luke 2:11 is the reason for the season. That's beautiful. I love that. That's a beautiful little ornament. Then we have, it looks like little star earrings. Little star earrings. Then make room for Jesus. I'm not sure if these are these stickers? They feel like they could be stickers, so I'll have to read on the back if they are stickers. They might be stickers. Okay, so if they are stickers, yeah, they are stickers. Okay, make room for Jesus stickers. Okay, and then you always get this, which shows you what's in here, which is helpful. And then this was a necklace, and I've been looking for one of these for a long time. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. I have been looking for one of these little bubble necklaces for a long time, so I'm really happy I got that. And then we have a nice green cross beanie hat for the wintertime. So overall, I really love this box. I've been getting it every single month for a few months now. I really like it because it is uplifting. I like all the inspirational little things that you get in it every single month. So if you guys are looking for a really sweet, very non-expensive box to be able to get every single month, then I highly suggest you check them out. They are a really good box. And with every box, they end up donating to feedamerica.com, which is an awesome cause too. So they always try to help out there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and again, this is everything that I got in my December 2020 God's Glory box.